Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to apply for paraprofessional jobs in school ISDs. For that I'm using Plano ISD's website. For that you need to go to www.pisd.edu website, and if you go to that website it will take you to this page. Before going to show you how to apply, I want you to mention about the job fair that's going to happen in Plano ISD. The job fair is on March 25th. It is for teachers and classroom support staff. It is from 9 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. So all Plano ISD campuses will be in attendance. So you get to see all the principals, counselors and staffs in one building. So it's a very good opportunity for you to get to talk to them, get to know them, and what are the available job in all the schools. So it's a very good opening for all who wanted to apply for teaching position or paraprofessional or support staff positions. So for that click on this read more. It will take you to this page where it has given all the details, what you have to do and how to register. So if you are a new applicant, you have to go through the process. If you are an existing applicant, you have already have an application on file with Plano ISD, and this is for current Plano ISD support staff also. So I strongly suggest you to have a look at it. If you are really interested, you can go ahead and attend this job fair. So now let's go and get back to how to apply for support staff jobs. So we already talked about substitutes job, how to apply and what is substitute jobs. If you didn't watch that video, it's in my channel. You can go ahead and have a look at it. And now let's go ahead and look on support staff. Support staff is classroom assistants, office managers, employee child care center and campus technology assistant. All these are called as support staff, that is paraprofessional and assistant teacher jobs. So to apply for that, you don't need any teacher certification for that. So a basic diploma and a degree is enough to apply for all these jobs. So click on that. It will take you to this support staff page, and in here they have given all the necessary information that you needed to apply for the job. So click on the apply now button. It is the same process that you have done for the substitute jobs. If you didn't do this application yet for the substitute jobs, go ahead and register and go through this process. So to fill in this form, they have given application instructional manual here. So that is the first one. Click on that. It has given the step-by-step instruction on how to fill this application form. So it's a very easy one. They have given everything clearly, what to enter in all the boxes. So if you are a new applicant, what you have to do. If you have already registered applicant, what you have to do. So if you are a substitute already and if you want to apply for a paraprofessional job, you need to go ahead and go to the registered applicants, and you have to go to the job section and you have to choose whatever jobs you want to apply for. I'll show you that that page in a bit. So go through this process. It's so the first one is the register. You have to create an account. The next one is complete an online application. This is the online application. So whatever information they have asked for, fill in this. You need like 40 to 45 minutes to complete this. So keep all your records ready, keep all your diplomas and degree certificates ready with you, and finish it in one sitting. So move on to this. These all are all the personal information. I'll show you take you to the jobs page. So once you go to the jobs page, so all these are the available jobs in the district. So administration auxiliary, campus administration, all these things. So you can choose as many job titles as you want. So faculty services, financial, paraprofessional. So if you are going to apply for paraprofessional, click on paraprofessional, and the professional is teaching and other stuff. For that you need certification. So administration is all the clerical jobs. So you can choose as many as you want, and substitute jobs also you can choose. So once you choose that, it will show you. If you chose administrative, it will give you a list of all the available jobs in the administrative department. And whatever jobs you chose, if you chose a job in administration, it will tell you have selected this job. And if you chose a job as a paraprofessional, it will tell you that you have chosen that paraprofessional job. And then on each and every page, don't forget to click continue and save and submit for each. Wherever it's asking save and submit, save and continue, just go ahead and click on and continue. And there are so many to fill in, like assessment, interim, personal information, extracurricular activities, additional language. So whatever languages you know, just enter it, because if you wanted to become a ESL assistant, that is English as a secondary language assistant, they will look for this additional languages. If you know like 3 or 4 languages, then they will prefer you than others. So certifications, if you have any certifications, do it, otherwise you can skip that. And education history, this is where you have to start from your high school diploma, and you have to enter your highest education, like undergraduate, postgraduate, MPhil, doctorate, whatever you have, you are going to apply all that. And references, I talked about this again in that other video. You can check that. References means you have to refer to people, and they have to give references for you. So please talk with those people, and you have to give their email IDs in that reference page. So ISD will send an email to them. They have to fill that email to start your application process. They have to complete the form, and they have to send the email back, so that your application will be processed. So make sure you are getting 2 references from 2 people. So it can be from anyone, like if you are in a PTA, and if you know any teachers, any office manager, you can ask them to give a reference for you. Because if you are a PTA member, PTA president, and if your school knows you very well, they can also give you a reference, anything for that matter. So if you are working anywhere, you can ask your manager to give a reference letter for you. And then you can keep on for experiences also. You can say that you have volunteered in school, or you have volunteered in library. If you have volunteered in your Boy Scouts or Cub Scouts, you can enter all those things. Any non-profit organization you have volunteered for, you can enter that also as your experience. And then the references, all these are extra questions, criminal history, all those things you need to fill all these. Those are the important ones I wanted to talk about, like the jobs and the references. The rest is all like your personal experience, your educational qualification, education history, work experience, extracurricular activities, all those things. Please take some time and go through this entire page, entire manual, before you start applying or filling up the application form. So okay, let's go back to the main page. So that is the one I just showed you, the application manual. And then if you have any FAQs, that is frequently asked questions, click on here and find it. And once you apply everything, your application process will start. Do not stop there. Go ahead and check each and check the jobs available in the school district. So if you scroll down, you can see a list of job availabilities in the school district. See, so many jobs are available. So whichever job you want, you can click. So for example, if it is a clerk campus, so if you want to know the job description, go ahead, click on the job description. It gives you a detailed information on what is the job description, what you have to do, all those information. So it is the clerk campus. And then you get to know how much salary they'll pay you for that. The minimum salary is this, depending on and then school counselors, all these jobs, go ahead and check all these jobs. And if you are good in technology also, there is a technology job available in the school. So this is the district wide jobs. If you want to look at a particular school where what jobs are available, go here. And elementary campuses, if you click on support staff campus openings, it will take you to the elementary schools list, and it will tell you which schools have job availability. So in alphabetical order, they starts from, all these are elementary schools in Plano, so they have these many jobs available for assistants and paraprofessionals, that is support staff. And if you want to look into high school and secondary campuses, go back here and click this one, and this gives you a list of schools like middle school, high school, junior high, senior high, all these schools, what are the jobs available in all these schools. So these are the jobs currently available in all these schools. See, there are so many jobs available. So if you look into the Plano West Senior High, there is an assistant ESL job available. I used to work as an assistant ESL in a senior high school. So if you are really interested in helping ESL kids, yeah, you can apply for that. I really love that job because we are helping all those ESL kids. So it's a very good experience for you also. So provided you can speak and write more than 2 or 3 languages. It's up to you. You can choose whatever job you want. You can choose assistant classroom, assistant ESL, assistant special education teacher, and clerical positions job, that is like office managers and technology person, and attendance staff, clerk. All those jobs also you can choose whichever one you want to apply for, you feel comfortable that you can work with. That's it for the job application process. And I strongly suggest you to keep on checking with the job openings. If you see a job opening, like for example in Armstrong, there is assistant ESL job opening. So you can email the once you're done with the application process, the form, everything, you can email the Armstrong jobs at pisd.edu or the principal and counselors to the school if they really wanted a person, and they will email you back, and you have to attend an interview. If you are eligible, they'll hire you because they are in need of all these support staffs. That's it for this paraprofessional application process. If you have any questions, please share it in the comment. I'm glad to help you all. Hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching. Share and subscribe.